What to look for in a hot investment property. It's René again, and one of the questions I often get asked on a regular basis selling real estate is, René, can you find me a great investment property, or what should I look for when I'm looking to buy an investment property? So I'm standing in front of a fantastic one of my own listings, which is a hot investment property. Now, what would make it such a great investment property? I'm going to use this listing of mine as an example. You want to look for a property with little to no maintenance, okay? So what does that mean? You know, is the roof in good condition? Is the driveway in a good state of repair? Okay, are the windows in good shape or newer, or have they been recently replaced? All of that means less maintenance for you as the owner, less visits to your rental property. The next thing that you would want to look for is a good tenant mix. A property like this is showing that it's well maintained by the tenants. They've kept up a neat and tidy building. The previous owners have also kept it very neat and tidy. So it shows you that you have a good tenant mix. You want to find out that information from someone like myself, the listing agent. Find out how old are they, or how long have they been there? What are the ages? What are the occupations? What do they do? This will all give you a picture of what type of tenant mix. How well do they get along? This is all valuable information for you as the new landlord, okay? You also want to look at number 3, location. Location, location, location. You hear a bit in the background of the noise because I'm on a main road. This is in one of the prime spots in the city, which means it's easy access to shops, groceries, schools, public transit. That's going to make it easy for you to find tenants and keep tenants, as well as being an attractive spot for you as a future investor for resale. So location, location, location. The last thing that you would want to look for in an investment property is, of course, the amenities. What does the building have to offer? The one that I'm selling currently, perfectly situated with it has separate accesses, separate entrances for each tenant, separate metering. It has each separate furnace and AC unit. This is a tremendous benefit because we don't have to share utilities or split bills. Every unit is billed individually. Now, not all properties are set up this way. You may not find them all that way. But what you can find is, how are the utilities? What is the condition, and how are they set up? How is the utilities run to the property, okay? Because that will make it easier for you when you're dealing with your tenants, getting them to pay that monthly bill. So, couple points here. In the back, you can see fantastic investment property. This one happens to be my very own listing, and some of the pictures have been coming on through the video. If you're interested in more information, if you'd like more information on this triplex 3-unit apartment building, reach out to me and let me know. And otherwise, if you know anyone who could benefit from a video like this, who is looking for an investment property or would like more information on how to find one, send them this video. All my contact information is below. You can click on the button to reply with a question. It's René, your favorite realtor. Thanks for tuning in and watching my video.